Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to unlock Cadillac Escalade with key-only ways. Insert the mechanical key by pressing the fob release, pull out the blade, insert into the driver door lock, and turn gently to unlock. If the lock is stiff, apply graphite lubricant and wiggle slowly while turning. Always test the action before closing the door and keep the blade clean to prevent jams for safety. In a few clear steps, I will explain accessing the hidden keyhole and using the blade to open the door safely. Start by sliding the small cap on the handle to reveal the keyhole, then use the mechanical blade to rotate the lock slowly. Keep your movement steady to avoid damaging the cylinder. If resistance feels abnormal, stop and try lubricant or consult a locksmith to avoid breaking the blade in the lock. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy clear how-to guides, please subscribe and like if this video is helping you. On another note, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite I mention here, a great way to read manuals or tips on the go. Look in the description for the Kindle Paperwhite link and other deals. I appreciate your support, and it helps me make more helpful videos. Now let's get back to the video. In this segment, I will help with common problems when the mechanical key does not turn or the lock sticks. Check for debris in the keyway and clean with compressed air, avoid forcing the blade, and inspect the blade for bends or wear. Applying a small amount of graphite lubricant can ease turning, and if issues persist, contact a professional to prevent costly damage to the lock or key today.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.